This episode is brought to you guys by POWEREPUBLIC.
In episode 4, we stayed at the Wyndham Sky. If you missed it, we're staying at 2 houses by the same owner, 20 minutes apart from each other, in the beautiful Catskills in upstate New York. And that leads us to our second one, the Westkill Bungalow.
Compared to the Wyndham Sky, we have a more cottage-like feel, and it was built in 1926. It's a 2-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a hot tub, and is filled with plenty of vintage antique decor.
The whole thing has been tastefully renovated, but there's plenty of pieces that have been left behind from the original building that they now preserved in this new design. So join us today for our last episode of season 1 in the Catskills.
Hey guys, we're at the Westkill Bungalow, and check out this view behind us. That's pretty amazing. We've already stayed a night here, but I want to show you guys the inside, so let's head on in. So walking right in first, we step right into the kitchen, and I'm loving the gold touches in here and this wood counter. It reminds me so much of the bus. I also just noticed that there's a pull-out cutting board here, and I could have used that this morning, maybe tomorrow. This is where I'm going to be making my sandwiches and my coffee. Let's move on. I haven't been down here yet. There's a lock on the door. Maybe we'll take a venture down there later. Walking into the dining area, super cool space. I love that they made a whole wall out of wood. It just seems so cozy in here. Alcohol storage over here. Love this thing, it's a gas tank, so how cool. A little wine rack, and then behind you there's also a tapestry that says Westkill Brewing. Westkill Brewing is a brewing company around here, so it's cool that they added that touch. And you might be wondering if it's a little foggy in here, and it's just a incense burner. Little log cabin. Super cool. Makes it smell like a wood fire in here. I like this little cube. And now we've made it to the living room. My number one thing I love the couch. The couch in here is so nice. Last night I thought this was a bathroom, but to my surprise, it's like a little bedroom slash studio. You have a shower, your toilet, some storage, and then a bed, which is super cool. The shower is ridiculously tiny. It's kind of what you would imagine in a school bus. This leads to the back porch and the hot tub area, but for now, let's head upstairs. Let's go to my left. I was so shocked to find that there was a clawfoot tub in here, so I'm excited to use that later.
I mean, it doesn't really have clawfoot, but...
And there's also another one of these in here. Holds for toothpaste, toothbrushes. It's a super cool idea. The whole house kind of has like this masculine vibe to it. It's a closet. This room, super cozy. These things are really cool. Magnets that are lights. Which again, don't know why we don't have these in the bus. Which is cool that they have them in the kids' room, because when the kids need to see in the hallway, turn on one of these things, stick it back to the wall, and you got a night light. Or a book light. Or any type of light you want. You can use light for anything. Time's a ticking. It's a basic bedroom, but there's little vintage touches everywhere that make it really cool. Let's go in the next room. So again, in this room, pretty basic bedroom, but I love the natural light in here. There's more gold touches and more antiques. This thing's really cool. So last night we actually came in here and this was just on display, and I went to turn on the lamp beside the bed, and I realized that this thing actually works. I don't even know what this is, to be honest.
Fire extinguisher.
Ah, fire extinguisher. So let's head downstairs and show you out back. Let's head outside, folks. So onto the back porch. This whole setting back here is really cool. We have a hot tub over here. Oh my gosh, it's like the whole side of the house. Look at this view. Props to the Land Rover dude though. He makes the view a little bit better, but why didn't they put the hot tub on this side? We got a nice seating area out here. Our grill, and it's a really cool fireplace. It's like a cauldron. You think if we light it on fire and then like swing it, that'd probably be a bad idea. There's a stream out back. I don't actually know what the stream's called. What's it called? Westkill Stream?
Probably.
Yeah, I'm naming it Westkill Stream. Let's go explore that creepy basement. So there's one last room or rooms that we haven't explored yet, and I'm not gonna sleep in a house from the 1920s without knowing what's down here. So guys, it was nice knowing you. Basement light. Do you wanna go first? We'll be right back.
Well, this time, thanks to the POWEREPUBLIC, we made ourselves a little movie theater on the side of the bus. This is the T1200 by POWEREPUBLIC. It's a portable power station. You can bring it anywhere, anytime for all of your power needs.
The T1200 is great because literally anywhere we want, we can set up a movie theater on the side of the bus and power it all by this.
This thing's only at 47% right now. Didn't charge it for this ad, my bad. But we're powering a light and a projector off of it, and we still have like 2 hours of runtime left. So this thing at 100%, well, we could be watching movies all night.
And then at that point, we'll be charging admission and popcorn fees.
There you go. then it's Sun Chaser driving. Yeah, we could use some popcorn right now.
Well, I'll go make some. But for now, back to our movie, and you guys get back to the episode. This is the washer and dryer. I didn't know it was down in the basement. I thought cellars, like,
A good old cellar.
were used to store your celery.
What?
Yeah. I need coffee, so we are headed off to Babbler's Bakery.
We stopped by over here at Babbler's Bakery. Kitchen was closed, but got ourselves some drinks. I got some sort of lemonade.
I got the peppermint patty latte with oat milk ice.
Just this whole town, it's beautiful. It's really nice. I gotta go check out this Land Rover over here. Look at that thing. And then after that, we took a little drive and explored the area some more. The Catskills are so unique because on one side of it, it's like you're in the middle of nowhere. And the other side of it, you get that New York City art and culture, and there's a lot of unique things from the city that make its way up here. We are at Van Dusen's. It's like I guess a general store. It's like 5-10 minutes from Westkill, so we're gonna check it out and see what's here.
That store was really cool. They had a kind of a mixture of everything. Small food section, but they had vegan, gluten-free, whole meat section, beer section, cheese section. They had a little bit of everything. It was pretty cool.
So when we got here, we parked up there by the garage and used the door that went right into the kitchen. There's this road back here that I guess it's closed dead end on both sides of it. And it kind of makes like the back of the house almost kind of seem more like the front of the house, because you have like the hot tub, the fireplace, the grill, the front porch.
The other place had a Keurig, which I ain't hating on no Keurigs. You guys Keurig people, there's one right there. But I did notice some red tail something feather beans, and I'm like, they have a French press and a grinder. Time's about to coffee it up. I got some oat milk in the car.
What was good though was the Alfredo that I just had. Much better than the other night's Alfredo. Millrock? I'll put it right here just because I've got.
Go. I think that's pretty cool, is like there's not really much out here around us. We're pretty secluded.
Lights out here, mountain view in the back.
Saying goodbye to the Westkill Bungalow.
Little bungalow. See you later.
Thank you guys for watching our first season of Airbnbs in the Catskills. If you haven't seen the past 4 episodes yet, be sure to go check them out. And comment down below where you think we should stay next. I also want to give a big thank you to POWEREPUBLIC for sponsoring this series. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you back in our weekly vlogs.